Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Headers, A1, we good to go on that. So with fixing the header, again, I had to go through the rigorous Monroe, as y'all saw. My front header was the main issue from my accident. The accident caused my header to get a couple of cracks, a hole, and on top of me getting it fixed and getting it welded when I went to New York, that kind of warped the header, which again, warping the header is gonna make it uneven. It's not gonna sit flush how it's supposed to. So with the gasket that I showed you guys, that's exactly why the gasket was looking like that. Cause I'm just thinking that fixing the holes and the cracks was the problem. The main problem too, like I said, it was a combination with my front header. It definitely was the cracks on what we had. We had three hairline cracks in a hole, and that was from my accident. So getting that fixed tightened everything up there, but driving the car like that from time to time definitely messed up my flex pipe. So it runs a little rough, but once I get that flex pipe fixed, we'll be officially in business. I know what time it is, gang. We back in here. Let's go. Let's go. Get this flex pipe fixed. See what we got, baby. My man Frank. You already know the vibe, team. We in here. Work, good. Let's get it. They even my shit out. We're straight. Y'all know what time it is, baby. Now, let's get a sound check. I'm ready to go. We out. Hey, team. Y'all see what we got, Mo. See how the codes are switching up right now. So, let's see what's up. Know what I mean? We getting it there. So, still, we back with the P0300, but now we got the P0174. Let's see what we hitting for, Mo. Mass airflow. Okay. Let's see what's up, though. Some fresh tires on deck. Rear is in need of those, slipping and sliding like it's real nasty. So we in here, squad. Let's go. I was wilding out. I'm wondering why my rear is slipping and sliding like that, bro. No tread. That shit damn near missed it clean, boy. Oh, wow, boy. Look at that. So we in here. Fresh tires, you already know what time it is. Let's get about it. Super Bowl, Mr. Clean, baby. No tread left, it's a wrap. So let's get it swapped out. So we do what we do. Alright. Rain and shine, bro. We out here. Let's get it. So, passenger side done. Fresh rubber. You already know the vibe. Let's go. So we got fresh rubber, but just from the swap, it's about time for me to paint up these rims one more time. Give them a fresh coat. We're gonna call it a wrap, but as of right now, we're good to go. Definitely what we needed. No more of that slipping and sliding in the back. Please check your tread. It's that time of the season. Black ice, regular ice, inclement weather, rain, snow, sleet, hail. Definitely want to be on top of all of that. So here on his back left side is really making me think it's this VVT solenoid that's in the back. If you guys can remember in an older video, I was dealing with my power steering pump, and in dealing with my power steering pump, I saw that my VVT solenoids was leaking in the back, specifically the one up top, and not this one here, but the one under that. So I'm thinking I did put some RTV on it, but I'm thinking that is still leaking and causing my vacuum leak, which is still throwing my codes and throwing everything off. So waiting for that part to come in. I'm gonna switch that out right quick, give y'all that official startup. Got it, squad. If I'd have told y'all what it feel like, what it sound like to have this joint running right, oh man. It's been a long time coming. Been ready to give y'all that footage so we can get back out here and do that 1, 2, 3 thing. Y'all already know.